Let's be real. How many times have you thought about starting content but didn't want to be on camera? Maybe you don't like how you look on camera, or maybe you just don't have the setup, or maybe you just don't feel like recording yourself every day, so you just don't start. But what if you could build an influencer account like people are already doing with millions of followers without having to record yourself every time? And if you wanted to, you could stay completely off camera using AI avatars. And I don't mean some super obvious AI, I mean something that actually feels real. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using HeyGen's Avatar 5. Now, if you think this sounds crazy, it's already happening. There's an AI influencer on Instagram called Yang Mun, and he's built up over 2.5 million followers. And he's not even a real person, just a character, a voice, a script, and consistent content. And the craziest part is that everything is made using tools inside of HeyGen. And the part that's most appealing is that the creator never had to record themselves. They can post consistently from being wherever they are in the world because they never have to be on camera. And that's why it works. Because on platforms like Instagram, consistency is everything. This isn't some distant future idea that we're just hoping for, it's already happening. And I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. So most people try to go the faceless route like this. Stock footage, captions, maybe even a normal voiceover. And it definitely has worked for some people, but it's really hard to build a personality that way. Because people don't just follow content, they follow people. And that's the gap. You don't want to be on camera, but faceless content still feels, well, faceless. So what if you could have both? All right, now this is where AI starts to change everything, because now you can have a face, a voice, and presence without constantly filming yourself. And if you want to go fully faceless, you can even use a default avatar. But if you don't do it right, it's gonna look fake immediately.
You don't want it turning out bad, right?
So let me show you how to actually make this work.
After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, you take the red pill.
Now let's be clear, there's actually two different ways to do this. You can create a digital version of yourself using Avatar 5 with just a 15-second clip of yourself. After that, it'll copy exactly how you look, sound, and move. And you can use this to really scale your content. Or you can use pre-made default avatars that still use the Avatar 5 platform and stay completely off camera. But the one downside to that is it doesn't copy your exact motion. So the realism comes more from how you write and direct it. Both work and quite good too, but they're just different. But the key to making either one of them feel real is how you direct it. If you want to build an influencer account, you need presence. And this is exactly what Avatar 5 improves. This isn't just reading your script anymore, it's actually interpreting it. The way you write your script, the pacing, the tone, that's what drives your avatar and how it feels, moves, and even talks. As you can see, this right here is the same avatar. One of them has a bad direction and looks pretty fake.
You don't want it turning out bad, right?
And the other one has good direction, and you can tell it already looks so much better.
You don't want it turning out bad, right?
But now if you decide to make a digital clone of yourself, treat it like a real recording. You want good lighting, centered framing, natural movement, and actual personality. Because whatever you train it on is what your on-camera version becomes. Now this is where a lot of people can fail. They create the avatar, but they forget the personality. And it ends up sounding like this.
All right, guys, so today I have something super interesting for you.
Yeah, I don't know about you, I'm not following that, and most people probably aren't either. But now here's how to fix that. You don't just write scripts, you direct behavior too. It's not about typing some special prompt. It's actually about how you write the script itself. If your script looks like this, hello, today we'll be discussing marketing strategies, it's gonna feel robotic because that's just not something you would say. But now if you write it how you actually talk, okay, so here's the thing. We need to discuss a few new marketing strategies. Now it feels more natural and actually like you. But now it's also not just all on the script. It's the voice and the delivery too. Now you can use voice mirroring, which lets you guide exactly how you want it to sound by actually recording yourself saying it. So instead of it guessing the tone, which you really don't want it to do, it follows your delivery. And if you want it to sound like you can clone your own voice or use a different voice depending on the kind of content you're making. More casual, more serious, more energetic. And if something sounds slightly off in a certain portion, you don't have to redo everything. That's what the voice doctor's for. You go in, you fix the exact part, and you just keep on moving. So between how you write it and how it sounds, that's where the actual personality comes in. And if you want people to actually follow this account, it needs to feel like just one person. And this is really easy to mess up. You don't want to change your look, your tone, or your vibe mid-video because it breaks the illusion immediately, and that's just not how influencers film. But now this right here is something super powerful to use to your advantage. You can actually generate different looks depending on your creator style. If you want a certain vibe like a lifestyle creator or a more professional one, you can choose either. Or even if it's something different, you can build that look and stay consistent with it. And once you pick one, that becomes your creator's identity. But now if you're having problems with consistency, here's how to fix it. Pick a look, pick a tone, and pick a style, and just stay to it. It doesn't mean you can't pick a new outfit for your next video. And in all honesty, you really should change them up differently because people wear different clothes quite often. It just means you want to stay consistent within the same video, because every time you regenerate, you're basically creating a new version of it, and that's where you can really start to see some inconsistencies. And now this is the difference between just a normal AI tool and an actual influencer. And now this isn't something that's talked about all the time, but it is super important. Your AI influencer needs a content style. Whether it's lifestyle, educational, storytelling, or commentary, pick one and build around it. You need a niche, because consistency is what builds an audience and keeps people coming back. But now after all of that, let me actually show you the difference. But now here's the before.
You don't want it turning out bad, right?
It obviously feels like AI, it's inconsistent and it lacks personality. But now here's the after.
You don't want it turning out bad, right?
And it feels like a real person with clear identity and consistent presence. And these are all from the same tool, but just different directions. So now if you've been putting off content because you don't want to constantly film yourself, this is your way in. You don't need a full setup every time, and you don't need to keep recording. You just need to learn how to direct your AI properly, and you're good. And once you do, you can build an entire AI influencer account without being on camera. So if you guys want more tutorials like this, drop a comment down below or check out our other videos and we can help you get better results.